Math in 3 with Mrs. Z.
Is it a relation or a function? Let's find out. This video is about whether something is a relation or a function and how to determine. Before we get into that, there's some vocabulary that you need to know. Domain means the x values in set of data or in the function, while the range is the y values in the set of data or in a function. And a relation is just any set of x and y values. You could see this as points, like 1, 4, 2, 6. You could see it in a mapping diagram where you're mapping. You could see it in a table of values, or you could see it in a graph. The subset of relations is functions. And a function is a specific relation where x is only matched with one y value. So if you had a table of values and you had 1 matched with 4, 2 matched with 6, and then 2 was also matched with 7, this would be not functional. 2 cannot be hanging out with 6 and also hanging out with 7. That is not a functional relation, so it's not a function. When we have a graph, we have a special line to tell whether something is or is not a function. It's called the vertical line test. We draw one line vertically anywhere on the graph, and if it touches the graph only one time, then we would say that this is a function, since that x value is matched with only one y. In a graph like this, when we draw a vertical line, you can see the vertical line touches 1, 2, 3 places. That means x is being matched with 3 different y's. That is not a function, so we would say this fails the vertical line test and it is not a function. It would be a relation, but not a function. And that's how you know if something is a function or a relation. This was
Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks.